Do you speak English?
I speak English.
Does he speak English?
He speaks English.
Did you speak
I
English?
spoke English.
I spoke English.
Did he speak English?
He spoke English.
Will you speak English?
I will speak English.
Will he speak English?
He will speak English.
Are you speaking English?
I am speaking English.
Is he speaking English?
He is speaking English.
Do you go to market?
I go to market.
Does he go to market?
He goes to market.
Did you go to market?
He went to market.
Did he go to market?
He went to market.
Will you go to market?
I'll go to market.
Will he go to market?
He will go to market.
Are you going to market?
I'm going to
Is he
market.
going to market?
He is going to market.
Have you gone to market?
I have gone to market.
Has he gone to market?
Has he gone to
market?
Do you complete the homework?
I completed the homework.
Does he complete the homework?
He has completed the homework.
Did you complete the homework?
I completed the homework.
Did he complete the
He
homework?
completed the homework.
Will you complete the homework?
I will complete the homework.
Will he complete the homework?
He will complete the
Are you
homework.
completing the homework?
I'm completing the homework.
Is he completing the homework?
He is completing the homework.
Have you completed the homework?
I have completed the homework.
Has he completed the homework?
He has completed the homework.
Do you attend the class?
I attended the class.
Does he attend the class?
He attended the class.
Did you attend the class?
I attended the class.
Did he attend the class?
He attended the class.
Will you attend the
I will
class?
attend the class.
I will attend the class.
Will he attend the
He will
class?
attend the class.
Are you attending the class?
I am attending the class.
Is he attending the class?
He is attending the class.
Have you attended the class?
I have attended the class.
Has he attended the class?
He has attended the class.
Do you ride the bike?
I ride the bike.
Does he ride the bike?
He rides the bike.
Did you ride the bike?
I rode the bike.
Did he ride the bike?
He would ride the bike.
Will you ride the bike?
I will ride the bike.
Will he ride the bike?
He will ride the bike.
Are you riding the bike?
I'm riding the bike.
Is he riding the bike?
He is riding the bike.
Have you ridden the bike?
I have ridden the bike.
Has he ridden the bike?
He has ridden the
He has
bike.
Do
ridden
you
the bike.
drive the car?
I drive the car.
Does he drive the car?
He drives the car.
He drives the car.
Did you drive the car?
I drove the car.
Did he drive the car?
He drove the
He drove the
car.
car.
Will you drive the car?
I drive the car.
Will he drive the car?
He will drive the car.
Are you driving the car?
I am driving the car.
Is he driving the car?
He is driving the car.
Have you driven the car?
I have driven the car.
Has he driven the car?
He has driven the car.
Do you mop the floor?
I mop the floor.
Does he mop the floor?
He mops the floor.
Did you mop the floor?
I
mopped the floor.
Did he mop the floor?
He mopped the floor.
Are you mopping the floor?
I'm mopping the floor.
Is he mopping the floor?
He
He is mopping the floor.
Will you mop the floor?
I will mop the floor.
Will he mop the floor?
He will
He will mop the floor.
Have you mopped the floor?
I have mopped the floor.
Has he mopped the floor?
He has mopped
He
the
has
floor.
mopped the
Do you
floor.
play guitar?
I play the guitar.
Does he play guitar?
He plays the guitar.
Did you play guitar?
I played the guitar.
Did he play guitar?
He played the guitar.
Will you play guitar?
I will play the guitar.
Will he play guitar?
He will play the guitar.
Are you playing guitar?
I
am playing the guitar.
Is he playing guitar?
He is
He is playing the
Have
guitar.
you played guitar?
I have played the guitar.
Has he played guitar?
He has played the guitar.
Do you sing a song?
I sing a song.
Does he sing a song?
He sings a song.
sang a
Did you sing a song?
I sang a song.
Did he sing a song?
He sang a song.
Will you sing a song?
I will sing a
I
song.
sing a song.
Will he sing a song?
He will
I
sing
will
a
sing a
song.
song.
Are you singing a song?
I am singing a song.
Is he singing a song?
He
He
is
is
singing a
singing a
song.
Have you sung a song?
I have sung a song.
I have
Has he sung a song?
He has sung a song.
Guys, if you like this video,
Subscribe to Stonic.